We're digging into a lot of top stories today, and Praz, I know you have your eye on Tesla.
Over the weekend, we finally saw something from Giga Austin, the first Cybertruck rolling off it said they were built, it was built in Giga Austin, maybe not coming off the assembly line, but the first Cybertruck there shown this weekend on Saturday. So big news there, stock charging higher here, because the company is seemingly slated to kind of go into production of this truck later this quarter, limited quantities, and hold that potential customer delivery event at the end of the quarter that Musk was talking about. So big news there for them. We'll see if this car that came off the line was actually just a pre-verification build, which is something that just goes through the line, see if it comes out okay. They won't sell it to customers, perhaps. We'll see.
Do you remember what happened in November 2021? Tesla's stock price just reached an all-time high, sitting at $414.50 a share, after rocketing more than 50% in just a month. This stock performance was truly remarkable for a company that had only just begun to make significant profit and revenue from car sales. The Tesla stock momentum has been phenomenal lately, and we can't help but expect an even better stock performance for the rest of this year, which makes us wonder if Tesla can actually replicate its 2021 move again this year. What if Tesla's stock price doubled its all-time again before the end of 2023? Yes, we know it's pretty bullish, but before you dismiss this as utter Tesla hype, let's just evaluate a few of Tesla's fundamentals together.
The announcement was made back in 2019, right? Did I get my years right? 2019. If you think about where the EV truck competition is right now, who are they going for? Who's likely to go for the Tesla? How can they compete when other competitors have already come online with their cars?
That's a really good question. I think that the Cybertruck kind of occupies its own space in between the F-150 Lightning, which is a work truck, and something of an adventure truck, mostly a work truck type of everyday kind of vehicle. And then the Rivian, which is purely, in my opinion, hardcore adventure people going out, overlanding, camping, all that stuff that coastal types of people will do. I think that Cybertruck occupies that middle ground where it can actually be used for both work truck type of activities, but also lifestyle and sort of the adventure travel set there. I think that's where the Tesla kind of Cybertruck occupies that space. And we saw Ford sort of reacting here maybe to the news that Tesla was bringing out this Cybertruck in possibly limited fashion this quarter with those deep price cuts of the F-150 Lightning just yes.
Tesla's fundamentals are perhaps the first thing to consider when drafting a Tesla stock forecast. This includes an analysis of the demand for EVs in multiple corners of the world, primarily in the locations where Tesla is already offering its products, and also in markets where Tesla may be planning to reach. Additionally, investors should also look at the competition and what these companies are doing to see if, just maybe at any point in the future, their vehicles will eventually eat up a portion of Tesla's pie. But remember, Tesla's vehicles account for 65% of the sales in units of EVs in the US in the first 9 months of 2022, and still take up a significant portion of the EV share. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Investors who critically evaluate Tesla's fundamentals are able to determine how much this company could bring in sales, cash flows, and earnings in the next few years to possibly value the business by using price-to-earnings ratios and other similar techniques. For instance, one important variable that could shape the Tesla stock price in the future would be macroeconomic factors like interest rates. Higher rates will typically lead to lower equity valuations and may also depress the demand for vehicles as borrowing costs will tend to increase. Lower interest rates, however, have a completely opposite effect. But that's just one of them. Let's consider a few more catalysts that can push Tesla's stock price to $808 before the end of the year. However, before we get into it, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla's impressive performance in the second quarter of this year has set the stage for a promising future. The company surpassed market expectations by delivering a record-breaking number of vehicles, posting strong Q2 delivery numbers that signaled robust demand for its EVs. When Tesla released its second quarter delivery numbers, the bear argued that earnings would be a better indicator of Tesla's overall performance for the quarter, and that too turned out to be very impressive. Tesla made $25 billion in revenue in just a single quarter. This positive momentum has already garnered significant attention for investors and analysts alike, boosting confidence in Tesla's ability to deliver strong financial results for the rest of the year. What about its technological advancements? Innovation has been the heart of Tesla's success since its inception. As the company shows no signs of slowing down too, it means that Tesla's continuous advancements in autonomous driving technology, AI-powered features, and battery technology have all worked together to position it as the leader in the EV market. As the EV maker continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in sustainable transportation, investor confidence is bolstered, paving the way for favorable stock performance. According to Elon Musk, the biggest hindrance in the progress of Tesla's full self-driving is training, and once there are more training computers, then Tesla can get its job done faster. Tesla's Dojo supercomputer is going to be the key to fully unlocking Tesla's FSD, and the company is already working to make this available as soon as possible. The EV maker announced at its recent earnings call that it would soon start production of its Dojo training computer. Dojo will be used to train Tesla's neural nets, which will in turn be used to power, train, and improve FSD, as well as the automaker's humanoid robot Optimus. Musk disclosed at the event that Tesla will be spending well over $1 billion on Dojo across capital expenditures, as well as research and development. The automaker is already using a large NVIDIA GPU-based supercomputer, but the new Dojo is custom-built using chips designed by Tesla itself. Let's see why this is very important for Tesla. First up, the Dojo will be capable of an exaflop, or 1 quintillion floating point operations per second. Also, it is possible that Dojo will deliver up to 100 exaflops by October 2024. The supercomputer, with this capacity, could actually perform in 1 second what a regular desktop might take billions of years to compute. So think about it. How will Tesla not benefit massively from this kind of innovation? What about production? Tesla's global expansion plans have been instrumental in solidifying its position as a major player in the international electric vehicle market. And with gigafactories established in various regions worldwide, and new markets being explored too, Tesla is tapping into a broader customer base, reaching regions where electric vehicles were once considered a novelty. This geographical diversification can be a significant growth driver for the company, benefiting Tesla shareholders in the process. Similarly, Tesla's commitment to environmental, social, and governance principles have also resonated quite well with investors looking to align their portfolios with sustainable companies. As the focus on sustainable investment grows, Tesla's strong ESG performance and green initiatives position it as an attractive choice for those seeking responsible investments. This interest in sustainable companies is expected to contribute positively to Tesla's stock performance in the long run. Overall, Tesla's remarkable performance in the EV sector, its expanding energy business, continuous technological advancement, global market penetration, and strong ESG focus create a compelling case for Tesla's stock to continue its success through the rest of this year. Although we can't say for sure whether Tesla's stock price will double its 2021 all-time high, what we do know is that as Tesla continues to lead the EV revolution, it's primed to deliver value to its investors and thrive in an ever-changing market. What are your thoughts on Tesla? Let us know down below, and let us know what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.